Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Came home from work today and there was this brown box sitting on the kitchen table, and on the inside of that box was this box. A gift from Ringke, a review kit. Live a better day. A special gift from us to you for VIP. You're amazing. Wow. Well, I would like to say thank you very much. But I do not know what's on the inside, so we're going to have to open it up. So I'm going to get my trustworthy box knife. And we're going to cut right here. Just like that. And I'll put this away so I don't cut myself. And review kit. You're amazing. That's nice. Okay. Dear my Project 13, thank you for your support for Ringke. Here's our cases and accessories for the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. We hope you enjoy them. Oh, you know I will enjoy them. Wow, that is so cool. That is so cool. I'm going to put that right over here. Wow. Here we have the Ringke cover display tempered glass for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I was going to bring some tempered glass camera protectors in from over at Amazon, but Ringke, you got to me first before I made that move, and I'm super stoked about that. Thank you very much. Definitely be protecting that second 1.9 inch display top of the Z Flip 4. That is super cool. And here we have some cases for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. My wife has the Watch 4, so that's going to be great for her watch. And for me, I just happened to bring in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with my Z Flip 4. So we'll be reviewing the slim case matte black and clear for my 5 Pro. Here we have the slim Galaxy Z Flip 4 black case in its eco packaging. Live a better day. I am having a good day, man. This is super cool. And over here we have the slim Galaxy Z Flip 4 clear in its eco packaging. The ultimate experience. Over 60 million people are already using our Ringke products. Sweet. Well, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually break this open. Well, I'm not breaking it, but you know, I'm going to take out what's on the inside. And there's 1, 2, 3. 3 glass protectors for the camera area. And got a little squeegee here. Got some screen and lens cleaning wipes right here. Put that to the side. And these little adhesive strips attach the guide sticker onto the glass as pictured in the example image. Now you can do it that way. I'm not actually going to use these adhesive strips, but if you want, read the installation guide just to make sure you do it right. The great thing about this product is that you just don't get one, you're getting 3. So if you screw up, which I honestly don't think you're going to, you'll be fine, you're covered. All right, I'm gonna put that there. You do get a microcloth as well. So what I'm gonna do is bring over my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I want to say 3, but I know it's 4. And I'm gonna roll this down just a little bit there, just like that. Now, the watch cases, that's going to be a different video. This video is just going to be about the glass camera protector and the cases. So we're going to go ahead and tear that open. All right. Clean that area really, really well. Put that to the side, wipe the area. All that
glass around the cameras and over that second display.
And this is what it looks like. So you know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to put the case on first. I just changed my mind on that because having a case, you can just lay the glass camera protector within that edge of that cutout. I think that's the best way to do it. So why don't we go ahead and actually let's get the black slim case first. On the inside, you have a lot of accessories that you can find over at www.ringke.com. Lots to choose from, plenty of accessories to shop for, and you can get an extra 20% off on your next purchase over at Amazon. That is super cool. Just follow the instructions there and go shopping. That is nice. Okay. Bam. All right, so we're just going to snap the back piece on and the front piece on. It's a matte case. You can feel that matte texture. And then what I'm going to do is wipe around the display there. You can see the cutout right around the flash area, which is perfect. This cutout right here is just perfect, super perfect. Plenty of room to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. So now what we're going to do is peel that away. And this is what I'm talking about. That cutout really helps as far as getting that camera glass protector in there just right. Now, if I didn't put the case on first, I could have been off a little bit. So I would suggest you do it that way. And that is awesome. That is awesome to have protection for my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And as far as the device and the protection right here for that second display. Yeah, that is really, really nice. This matte case just feels really, really good in hand. It's got a lot of grip to it. A lot of grip to it. Let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging. Boom, just like that. Very nice. As far as lip surrounding the AMOLED display, plenty of depth, plenty of lip all the way around. So we got a flat display going on here, which makes it really nice to work with cases. And obviously the screen protector that's already on here, the screen protector that's on here actually doesn't come all the way over to the edge. So that's nice. And up top there you can see your earpiece and speaker. A lot of space for that area. So you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Down on the right hand corner at the bottom of the Z Flip 4, you have your speaker grill cut out, USB Type-C charging port cut out, and two cutouts right there for the mics. And you also have a little slit right on the corners, which allows the case to snap into place that much easier. So you're not forcing the case on, but once it's on, it's going to be on nice and tight. I like that. It just relieves the pressure having those little slits right there. That's really nice. Mic cutout up top right there. Of course, the cutout for the cameras. second display there and your flash. Very nice. On the right hand side, you can see a little cutout right there if you want to sport a lanyard, which if you're doing some shopping over at the Ringke website, you'll find a lot of lanyards that you can purchase for that area. Got the Ringke brand name right down in there. And volume rocker up, down. Everything works perfect. Nice and clicky, and you got a huge cutout for the fingerprint reader, side mounted fingerprint reader, which I really love. I really dig that. Man, it's just super fast. So plenty of space there to utilize that functionality to turn on your Z Flip 4. Yeah, that is nice. The combo earpiece and speaker up there. I really love the fact that there's a lot of space there. A lot of space there. It's a nice looking case. All right, let's get a look at the clear case. Got a lot of stuff here on my desk. I guess I could have opened up the package. I tore the other one. I'm gonna open up this one from the bottom. Got the little slits on this one too. Just makes it that much easier to put on. Just like that. It's like it's invisible. Nice and grippy. Really nice and grippy. Bam. Man, I love that fingerprint reader. Plenty of lip surrounding the AMOLED display. Plenty of space for the combo earpiece and speaker. Just like the black case here. Got the same thing going on here. But this is a flip phone. So honestly, I wouldn't be doing that. Just wouldn't be. Even though we have plenty of lip surrounding that AMOLED display. The purpose of a flip phone is to minimize the device. Shut it. And then set it down, whether you want to go that route or this route. Okay, there's nothing back here that you can mess up except for the clear case itself. So if it's a really rough surface, you could scratch that up. So I would go with a flat surface. If you're gonna go this route, which I probably wouldn't, but you have plenty of protection for a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough with that cutout, there's plenty of depth there protecting the second display, plus you have that glass protector. But because I want to see my notifications, I'm going to go that route. Okay. So just like the black case, cutouts will be precise. Cutout for your speaker, USB Type-C charging port, the mic's down here and the mic's up top. And everything's covered on the left-hand side. You can see there's SIM tray right there. And on the other side, you do have a little area here for a lanyard as well. Plenty of space there. And as far as the combo power button and side mounted fingerprint reader, and then right here we have the volume rocker up down. It's just a simple clear case that's going to give you the protection you need. You just have to do your part, and that's hold on to your Z Flip 4 while sporting either one of these cases. And wireless charging. Bam, just like that. Loving it, digging it. Super stoked to have all of these gifts from Ringke. Again, thank you so much. Huge shout out. Look forward to another video with the watch cases. Any questions as far as what we got here for the Z Flip 4? Please ask down below in the comment section. Any questions on the camera glass protector as well. And with that, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Special case review with other accessories that are here. Yeah, man, doesn't get any better than that. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.